Textbook solutions and meanings in English. Already we saw this chapter explanation in the previous video. In this video, we'll be discussing the textbook solutions. कहानी से from the story. सुनीता को सब लोग गौर से क्यों देख रहे थे? Why was everyone watching Sunita closely? Sunita could not walk with her feet. She was walking in her wheelchair, so everyone was watching her carefully. So this is the answer for first. So this is the answer for first, this first question. Second question. सुनीता को दुकानदार का व्यवहार क्यों बुरा लगा? Why did Sunita felt bad about the shopkeeper's behavior? Sunita, when she went to a shop, she asked for sugar. The shopkeeper kept the bag of sugar on her lap. This behavior of the shopkeeper did not liked by Sunita, so she felt bad about this behavior of shopkeeper. Next, मजेदार. सुनीता को सड़क की जिंदगी देखने में मजा आता है. सुनीता enjoys watching street life. तुम्हारे विचार से सुनीता को सड़क देखना अच्छा क्यों लगता होगा? Why do you think Sunita would like to see the road? So this is the answer for the question, the above question. Sunita could not walk with her feet, so she enjoyed watching the road. She could see everything moving on the road. So whenever she had a chance to see it, she liked it. The loneliness and lack she felt while staying inside. She used to get away by looking at the road, and she felt enjoyable when she sees the road. अपने घर में आसपास की सड़क को ध्यान से देखो और बताओ. Look at the road around your house carefully and tell. तुम्हें क्या-क्या चीजें नजर आती हैं? What things do you see? लोग क्या-क्या करते हुए नजर आते हैं? What are people doing? So this is this two questions. So the answer for first question is, on the streets around our house, we see the following types of things and people working. First one is pedo paudo, meaning is trees and plants. Bijli ke kambe, meaning is electric poles. सड़क पर आती जाती साइकिल, स्कूटर, मोटरसाइकिल, कार, बस और ट्रक इत्यादि दिखाई देते हैं. So are seen in the road. All these you see in the road. Next, people such as drinking lemonade, fixing the car, stopping the car and talking on the phone, buying helmets, waiting for the bus at the bus stop and walking on the road. So these are the people we see on the road. This is the answer for second question. So next we are going to see manahi, meaning is denying. फरीदा की माँ ने कहा इस तरह के सवाल नहीं पूछने चाहिए. Farida's mother said such question should not be asked. फरीदा पहिया कुर्सी के बारे में जानना चाहती थी, पर उसकी माँ ने उसे रोक दिया. Farida wanted to know about the wheelchair, पहिया कुर्सी, wheelchair, but her mother stopped. So here three questions are given. First question, second question, third question. So this is the answer for first question, second question and third question. We'll see the explanation one by one. First question first. Why would mother have stopped Farida? So रोक meaning is stopped. फरीदा ने प्रश्न सुनकर कि यही सुनीता को बुरा ना लग जाए, इसलिए माँ ने फरीदा को प्रश्न पूछने से रोका होगा. Meaning is, hearing Farida's question, Sunita would feel bad. So her mother prevented Farida from asking questions. So this is the answer for first question. Second question, shouldn't Farida have asked about the wheelchair? What do you think? So this is the second question. The answer for second question is this. फरीदा को इस विषय में नहीं पूछना चाहिए, इससे सुनीता को बुरा लग सकता था. Farida should not have asked about this. This would make Sunita feel bad. So next third question. क्या तुम्हें भी कोई काम करने या कोई बात करने से मना किया जाता है? कौन मना करता है? कब मना करता है? So when you are doing something, um, are you also forbidden to do any work or any say anything? Who refuses to that you should not do such work? When does you get refused? Mana meaning is refused. So the answer for it is हाँ मुझे मना किया जाता है. Yes, I am denied. माँ मना करती हैं. So mother refuses. जब मैं मिट्टी में खेलती हूँ तो मुझे खेलने से मना किया जाता है. So when I used to play in the mud, I was not allowed to play. मैं भी कुछ कर सकती हूँ. I can also do something. यदि this is the first question. So this is the answer for first question. We'll see the first question. यदि सुनीता तुम्हारे पाठशाला में आए तो उसे किन किन कामों में परेशानी आएगी? So if Sunita comes to your school, what are the problems she will face? सुनीता को पाठशाला के प्रार्थना सभा कक्षा व कक्षा से इधर उधर आने जाने में परेशानी होगी. Sunita will have trouble in going to and from prayer meeting, class to class. In the school, she'll not be able to do that. She will find a problem with that. वह खेल कूद नहीं पाएगी. She cannot play. कुछ शैतान बच्चे उसका मजाक भी उड़ा सकते हैं. Some funny children will make fun of her. Shaitan meaning is mischievous children will make fun out of her. Next we'll see second question. उसे यह परेशानी न हो इसके लिए अपनी पाठशाला में क्या तुम कुछ बदलाव सुझा सकती हो? Can you suggest some changes in your school so that she does not have this problem? The answer for second question is कक्षाओं में आने जाने का रास्ता तालाबदार होना चाहिए. So you can have something for her to move smoothly. Sports with disabilities should be conducted. Such arrangement should be made that other children should treat them equally. So this is what can be done in school level. प्यारी सुनीता. So this is the activity we'll see. सुनीता के बारे में पढ़कर तुम्हारे मन में कई सवाल और बातें आ रही होगी. So reading about Sunita, many questions and things will be coming on your mind. वे बातें सुनीता को चिट्ठी लिखकर बताओ. So you're going to write those things in a letter to Sunita. प्यारी सुनीता meaning is dear Sunita. Here letter to Sunita template is given. Here you have to write your name, address and date. Priya Sunita, this is the content of the letter and you're going to complete the letter by writing your name. So we'll see what is written in this letter. This is the address. Dinak meaning is date. This is the content. Dear Sunita, much love. How are you? I read about you. I appreciate your courage that you do your work yourself. You're not dependent on anyone. Many questions arise about you in my mind. What do you think when you see others playing or running? You can't play, so what kind of sports do you play? Do you have friends? If so, do they feel uncomfortable with you? What do you do at that time? Sunita, there are other children like you who cannot hear or see anything. What would you like to say to them? You must answer these questions. If any of my questions make you sad, then forgive me and do not answer if you think that my questions has made you wrong, sad. So here you're going to write your name. So this letter is written by Saki Mohana. So this is the name of that person who has written. Next, कहानी से आगे सुनीता ने कहा मैं पैरों से चल नहीं सकती. चल ही नहीं सकती. Sunita said, I can't walk with my feet. So this is the text. This is the first question, second question. This is the answer for first question, second question. Sunita cannot walk with her feet. You must read about Ravi Bhaiya in EVS last year book. Ravi Bhaiya cannot see, yet he reads books. So first question, वे किस तरह की बुक किताबों पढ़ सकते हैं? What kind of books can he read? So can those people read? They can read braille script books. So those who cannot see, read by braille script books. उस तरह की किताबें के बारे में सबसे पहले किसने सोचा? Who first thought of that kind of books? Louis Braille. So this is the person name. Louis Braille thought of this type of book. He was the first to write such books. He was blind, therefore he changed the direction of the life of blind people by writing a book like this. This script has been named after him. So this is the answer for second question. We'll see next script. Some people who cannot hear or talk have also been talking. So we'll see the questions for that. Do you know any child who cannot hear? So this is the first question. Second question. Do you know any child who cannot hear? I know a child who is unable to listen and her name is Nitika. तुम उसे किस तरह से अपनी बात समझाते हो? So how do you explain your point to him? I explain my point by writing to her and using gestures. So this is the answer for second question and first question. Next. मेरा आविष्कार meaning is my invention. So Sunita jaise kai bache hain. Like Sunita, there are many children who cannot see, who cannot talk, who have problems in hands, who cannot walk. So we're going to think about one such child. यदि तुम्हें कोई शारीरिक meaning is if anyone has such trouble in their physical, you're going to think about the challenges that they face. So of that challenges, how can you correct or help them with your invention? So you're going to write about that. तुम वह कैसे बने हुए हो? How will you make? So you're going to invent something to help the physically disabled children. So how will you make that invention? उसे बनाने के लिए किन चीजों की जरूरत होगी? So what are the things required to make that invention? वह चीज क्या क्या काम कर सकेगी? So what are the what does those things do? उस चीज का चित्र भी बनाओ. So you make a picture of that. Suppose, for example, suppose you are going to make any invention for Sunita, you can make Pahiya Kursi. So, likewise, you can think about other disabled children challenges. You're going to draw the picture of that invention. So, this question is purely based on the student imagination, and based on the imagination, they can draw the picture. So chapter 12 ends here. Hope this video is useful and understanding. If you have any doubt, you can just ask in comment. We'll see in the next video. Thanks for watching.